I'm Mike Provine, and I approve this message.
$233 million for a bridge to nowhere. Outrageous. $3 million to study the DNA of bears in Montana. Unbelievable. $1 million for a Woodstock museum in a bill sponsored by Hillary Clinton. Predictable. Who has the guts to stand up to wasteful government spending? One man.
Is this a sexual harassment seminar?
CNN projects Hillary Clinton is the winner in Pennsylvania.
Everybody knows that Pennsylvania is where zombies come from.
If you were driving around downtown Pittsburgh tonight, you may have seen them out there. Zombies.
You heard Michelle correctly. Zombies.
Forget Mexico. I would build a wall around Pennsylvania to keep all the zombies in. The zombies are from Pennsylvania. Nobody else has a zombie plan. I do. And I will send Chuck Norris after them if they escape. Vote for me, Mike Provine, and Vice President Cousin Dano. We don't like zombies. I'd also build a wall between us and Quebec, because that's where Celine Dion is. I hate her.